The truth is, big changes require small, consistent steps. If you try to cut off all your bad habits at once, you'll most likely end up crashing. Why? Because your brain is addicted to the dopamine hits it gets from these bad habits. Scrolling on social media, binge-watching shows, or eating junk food. Trying to stop everything at once is like trying to hold your breath forever. Eventually, you'll snap and the cycle will start all over again. So here's the better way. Phase it out gradually. For the first 3 days, identify the one bad habit that's holding you back the most. Is it wasting hours on TikTok or Instagram? Is it procrastinating on YouTube? Focus on reducing just that one thing for the first 3 days. Instead of spending hours scrolling, set a timer for 30 minutes and stop once it's up. You're not cutting it off completely yet, you're just taking back control one small step at a time. By the end of those 3 days, your brain starts to adjust. Then, for the next week, pick another habit to work on. Maybe it's your diet. Instead of eating out every day or snacking on chips, try cooking one meal at home or replacing one snack with a healthier option. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Once you hit day 7, you'll feel a small shift. You'll notice how you're slowly regaining control over your mind and actions. This is the power of incremental change. It sticks because it's sustainable. Now, let's talk about what you should be doing during this time. This process isn't just about removing bad habits. It's about replacing them with better ones. Here's where dopamine detox meets productivity. 1. Start your mornings right. The first hour of your day sets the tone for everything else. Instead of reaching for your phone as soon as you wake up, spend that time on something productive. Journal your thoughts, plan your day, or even meditate for 10 minutes. This one simple habit rewires your brain to focus on what matters. 2. Move your body. Exercise is non-negotiable. It doesn't matter if you hit the gym, go for a run, or do a quick home workout, just move. Exercise not only releases feel-good hormones like endorphins, but also helps reset your dopamine levels naturally. 3. Feed your mind. Instead of consuming junk content online, start feeding your mind with knowledge. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or watch a video that inspires and educates you. This primes your brain to seek growth rather than instant gratification. By the time you hit day 14, you'll start to feel like a different person. Your focus will improve, your energy levels will rise, and that guilt we talked about, it'll start turning into pride. You'll realize that you're capable of making real, lasting changes in your life. Now comes the most important part, the final week. This is where you solidify your new habits and take things to the next level. By this point, you've reduced your bad habits, replaced them with better ones, and built some momentum. Here's how to finish strong. 1. Set clear goals. Think about what you really want to achieve in the next 30 days. Whether it's starting a new side hustle, getting in shape, or improving your grades, write it down and break it into actionable steps. Focus on 1 or 2 main goals, don't spread yourself too thin. 2. Eliminate distractions. By now, you've already reduced your dependence on distractions, but this is the time to take it a step further. Remove apps you don't need, block websites that waste your time, and create an environment that supports your growth. 3. Reflect and adjust. Every night, take 5 minutes to reflect on your day. What went well? What could have gone better? Use this time to course correct and ensure you're staying on track. By day 21, you'll have transformed not just your habits, but your mindset. You'll feel more in control, more focused, and more motivated than ever. And here's the best part, it doesn't stop there. These 21 days are just the beginning. Once you've proven to yourself that you can change, you'll realize there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, to anyone who feels stuck right now, let me remind you of something. The power to change your life has always been within you. That guilt you feel, it's your fuel. Those distractions, they're just obstacles waiting to be overcome. It's 2025. The clock is ticking, but you still have time. Not next Monday, not the first of the month. Start today. Take that first small step and let it snowball into something bigger. You owe it to yourself to become the best version of you.